Good afternoon. Today I'm going to talk to you about genes. So often we think that we're doomed to the same health outcomes as our family members. For example, if your mother or your grandmother had cancer, you may think that you're doomed to have the same outcome and live in fear of that. Bruce Lipton, a world-renowned scientist, he talks about how our DNA is simply a blueprint for our health expression. And our blueprint, the expression of that blueprint, is determined by our environment. Our environment being made up of our mental, emotional states, the thoughts that we have, the stress that we're under, the joy that we experience in life. It's also made up of the chemical side of things, the things that we eat, the air that we breathe, the things that we put in our skin, and also the physical side of things, which is the structure, the balance of your body. So it's a combination of the environmental factors that have influence over the expression of your DNA. Your body replaces itself every 7 years. So 7 years from now, every single cell in your body will be a new one. And that's the most amazing thing about the body. It heals and regenerates. We just have to give it a chance by changing factors in our environment. And this is done by simply doing one step at a time. It's like a savings plan. You can't expect to have $100,000 immediately. It takes consistency and planning. Same thing with your health. It's a little step at a time. It might be something like changing your thought patterns, changing that reel that goes over in your mind again and again, and putting something new in there. Or maybe cutting out that breakfast cereal that you have in the morning. Get rid of that sugar and processed food and add an omelette or something. And it's those small things that accumulate over time. I used to live in fear about my health, but through all the books I've been reading and lectures I've seen, I've learnt that really health is my responsibility. It's not really down to the experiences that my mother had or my grandmother had. It's not up to my doctor. It's really up to me and the action steps that I take and the choices that I make. I recommend looking up Bruce Lipton. He has some really interesting research. You'll find that he does lots of talks on YouTube. We also have some DVDs and books available to borrow if you want to find out more. Thank you.